Satvik here to introduce you to the lab assignment of the course Microprocessor and Microcontrollers. The question is to find the factorial of a number in 8086 microprocessor. So now coming to the introduction part. In the file creation, we mount the C drive which contains the program to the local directory, and then we shift controls to the C drive. Then using the edit factorial ASM, this file contains the average assembly code for factorial. Now my friend Radhakrishna will take over.
Okay. Now to find a factorial of number n, we have to repeatedly multiply the numbers from 1 to n. We can do the same by multiplying the number and decrease it until it reaches 1. So its sequence can also be. In the program, we are taking the number into the counter register and then decrease it and multiply. If the results exceed the range of 16-bit, the 30-bit, 32-bit result can be found in register DX and AX. After that, we are storing it into the memory. Now the algorithm is like input the number whose factorial is to find and store the number in BL register. After that, insert 0001 in AX register and also 0000 in DX register. And then the rest of the algorithm that Tanusha continues.
This is Tanusha. The next part of the algorithm is now we have to multiply the BL register with the AX register until the BL register becomes 0. For this, we have to use the loop instruction. And after that, we have to copy the content of AX register to the memory location 0600. And after that, we need to copy the content in DX register to the memory location 0601. After performing all these steps, we need to stop the execution. Thank you. Next.
This is Kamlesh, and we begin the code. The following code is the assembly language code to execute the following factorial operation. The code segment specifies that we are storing or writing our program in the code segment. Start signifies the start of the program. And XOR AX, AX signifies the special general purpose registers that we are using in the following program. These commands are used for initialization. Move BL, AL and move SA, 2000H. The 2000H specifies the memory address where we are going to store input, and the BL register stores the input value, input hexadecimal value, which is used to perform the factorial operation. One is stored in the lower byte of AX, that is AL, and it is used for multiplication. The L1 signifies the loop operation and consists of the following commands: mul BL, decrement BL, and JNZ L1. Mul BL, every time we execute this command mul BL, the data in BL gets multiplied with the data in AL and gets stored in AL. And decrement BL decrements the value of BL every time the loop executes. JNZ0 L1 signifies that the loop will get executed until the value of BL is not 0. So if the input value is 5, the loop gets executed 5 times. Finally, move SA, 3000 signifies that we are going to store our output in memory address 3000. And move SA, AX signifies that the value in register AX, the factorial output, is stored in memory address 3000, and the code ends. We exit this code by pressing exit, and we use the following 3 commands to execute the code. Masum factorial .asm, and we press enter 4 times, and then we type the link command for linking the object file of factorial. And we press enter 4 times again, and now we are executing the exe file. using debug command. And we use the following three commands to give the input-output operation. G000, which specifies the hexadecimal operation to begin the code. The following values signify the data present in the registers. And now we are giving the input by giving the following command E2000, which specifies the memory address where we are going to give the input. And we give the following data 0, 5, the hexadecimal value for 5. And now we give G0000. And now to see the output, we specifies the memory address where we wish the output to be stored, D3000, 3000, which specifies 78, which is the equivalent hexadecimal number for 120, which is 5 factorial. And now I pass on to my friend Vinay.
So the result of this code is memory location 3000 contains result of 5 factorial 78, which is the hexadecimal representation of 120. Thank you.